Ever wondered why one of Canada's biggest telecom companies, Rogers, also has its own bank? Thinking face, you're not alone. In a country dominated by the big five banks, it's easy to overlook players like Rogers Bank. But they're not trying to compete with giants like RBC or TD head-on. Instead, Rogers Bank has carved out a very specific and strategic niche in the Canadian financial landscape. It all comes down to a simple but brilliant idea: leverage the customer base. Rogers Bank isn't a traditional, full-service bank with checking accounts, mortgages, and investment services. It was created with a singular focus on credit cards. Their main goal? To provide valuable financial products that are so good for Rogers, Fido, and Shaw customers, you'd be crazy not to get one. A credit card ecosystem handshake. The key is integration. Rogers Bank's credit cards, like the Rogers Red MasterCard, offer enhanced rewards specifically for cardholders who are also Rogers customers. For example, a Rogers customer might get a higher cashback rate on everyday purchases. And the rewards don't just stop there. You can redeem that cash back for things like your monthly Rogers bill, a new phone, or accessories, and get a bonus on the redemption value. This creates a powerful ecosystem. The more you spend on your card, the more you save on your telecom bills. It's a win-win that the big banks just can't match. But it's not just about cash back. Rogers Bank credit cards also come with other perks tied directly to Rogers services, like complimentary roam-like home days for travel, or exclusive interest-free financing plans for new devices. They're not just credit cards, they're a loyalty program disguised as a financial product. The challenger bank mentality boxing glove. Rogers Bank is what you might call a challenger bank. Instead of building out a massive network of physical branches, they operate almost entirely digitally. This keeps their overhead low, allowing them to offer competitive rewards with no annual fee on their cards. Their primary audience isn't everyone in Canada, it's the millions of existing Rogers, Fido, and Shaw customers. So, when you look at the Canadian banking landscape, don't think of Rogers Bank as trying to be the next BMO. Think of them as a specialist. They've found their corner by focusing on a specific product, serving a targeted audience, and leveraging the massive parent company to deliver unique value. They're a perfect example of a modern financial institution that thrives not by being the biggest, but by being the most relevant to its customer base. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.